Hello mga ka-home foodies! Kayo ba ay nagkikrave tulad ko? Because I am craving for my favorite Japanese dish. Kaya lang, gusto ko luto ko. Kasi para sa family ko yan eh. Kaya gusto ko madali. I'm sure nakaka-relate kayo. Pahinga rin muna sa delivery, tsaka pagkain-kain sa labas. So, bakit hindi natin gawin? Tuturuan ko kayo ng version ko ng Misono style beef with veggies. Ako nga pala, si Liana Tanarcenas for Food Swings. To start ang ating Misono style beef with veggies, kailangan gawin natin ang marinade and ihahalo natin ang ating Monterey beef sukiyaki cut, Monterey meats you can trust. So ilagay na natin ang ating light soy sauce, sugar, kaya para may konting tamis siya, pepper, and what makes it oriental, of course, sesame oil. Kung wala kayong sesame oil, pwede makigumamit ng regular oil and maybe mag-add na lang kayo ng toasted sesame seeds. So, i-mix natin yan. So, ilagay na natin ang ating Monterey meats you can trust, ang ating Monterey beef sukiyaki cut. Yung ganda ng kulay. Alam mo yung fresh beef, I tell you. Kailangan bright red yung color. Tapos walang tinatawag na oxidation. Yung meat na may discoloration na, yung parang nag-gray na siya, sabihin masyado na exposed to air. Not necessarily spoiled yon, but yung medyo matagal na exposure to air. Ito, alam mo, talagang bagong gawa, bagong produce, bagong hiwa, kasi ang ganda ng red meat color niya. So, pwedeng gloves gamitin natin para mas maganda yung marination. Kasi nga, sukiyaki kat maninipis yung hiwa. So, para tagos dun sa meat yung marinade natin. Yan. Look at that, oh. Yung meat niya ang nipis. Really good. So, masama-sahihin para equal yung distribution ng marinade. At sabi ko nga, kailangan mix muna maigi yung marinade ingredients para equal yung distribution ng flavor. Okay. Now, this one, pwede mong i-marinate for 15 minutes, no? O kaya, i-marinate mo overnight, no, in the refrigerator, para mas tagus pa yung lasa niya. You can also add mga wine kung gusto nyo para medyo may dagdag dun sa flavor. But otherwise, itong marinade natin, yung 4 ingredients na yon, that's good enough. So, itabi natin muna siya. Ready na tayo mag-fry ng ating Misono style beef sa Magnolia Nutri Oil, palm vegetable oil, at ang ating Magnolia Gold Butter na salted. The best creations are made with gold. So you can get in 2 tablespoons ng butter from the bar itself. Sipin nyo na lang na yung isang bar ay isang cup. No, ang isang cup ay may 16 tablespoons. So, yung kalahati ay 8 tablespoons. Yung kalahati pa nung half na yon will be 4 tablespoons. No? So, dito yon. This is the 1/4. And kailangan ko kasi is 2 tablespoons. So, 1/4 cup is 4 tablespoons. So, hahatiin ko lang siya. So, I'm gonna put it here para mag-melt. Para hindi mag-burn yung butter, lagyan natin ng oil. So, 2 tablespoons also. So, pag nag-melt na yung butter, tsaka tayo mag-pan fry. Now, since sukiyaki cut siya, very, very thin, hindi natin kailangan lutuin ng matagal. Diba? Para it's still tender. Tsaka tender yung part ng meat na to. Hindi siya kailangan overdone. Enough lang yung ma-brown siya. So, I will use gloves para to help yung paglatag maigi ng beef. Ready to put our marinated beef. Now, you cook this in batches para hindi nga siya magtubig. May tendency gano'n, di ba? Ang meat. So, cook it in small batches. Ooh, like the sizzling sound. So, pwede na natin i-turn. Hayaan ko lang siya, oh, kasi luto na siya actually, eh. Yun. So, actually, pwede na ito hanguin. Perfect. At alam ko ng tender siya. Pag-turn ko pa lang, ang lambot na, eh. So, isa-set aside natin yung naluto. So, this is our first batch. What you can do is put it aside. Kung ito na yung plato nyo, you can actually, half of the plate, you can arrange the Misono style beef already. Yung beef, dahil itatabi pa natin, no, dahil magsosaute tayo ng veggies, pwede mong i-open. Kung may oven ka, iset or oven toaster, iset mo siya to about 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Takpan mo to ng foil at ilagay mo doon para hindi siya ma-dry. Warm siya, kept warm, pero hindi siya dry. So, we'll add 1 tablespoon of oil muli. At igigisa na natin ang ating veggies. Una nating gigisahin ay ang ating onion. For those na ayaw yung tapang ng sibuyas, you can always soak it in very cold water for about 15 minutes during preparation. And para maging crisp din yung onion. So, may lutong siya pag kinain mo. Lagay na rin natin ang ating garlic. And we'll saute this until yung onion is tender. Tapos, ilagay na natin ang ating carrots. When you purchase carrots, dapat ano siya, young, bata, slim, at saka very smooth yung skin niya. And very bright in color. Actually, yun yung tinitignan kong unang-una pag namimili ako ng carrots. Ilalagay na natin ang ating sauté. Yung toge, you know, it's cooked pag naging transparent na siya. And then, ilalagay na natin ang ating onion leeks. So, napakadali lang din maluto. There you go. Diba? Misono style beef in just a few minutes. Sangkap pa. Of course, para lalong sumarap, kailangan natin lagyan ng salt, pepper, and ang sesame oil. Yan. So, once bright na yung color ng inyong onion leeks, okay na to. Our dish is so ready to be plated. So, I'll show you how to plate it. So, I have a nice plate here. Pwede tayo mag-mount sa ilalim para may bed na yung... This dish is made from Monterey beef, sukiyaki cut, ang Monterey meats you can trust. At saka, Magnolia gold butter. The best creations are made with gold. Ayan! No reason for you not to try this recipe this weekend, diba? Make it special for the fam and hindi nila iisipin na nasa bahay kayo. May sarili ka ng Japanese restaurant sa bahay. Yan ang mood ko ngayon. So, I do hope you will try this recipe. And I will see you again. So, this is Jonathan Arsenas for Food Swings. For more recipes, visit www.homefoodie.com. You can also like our Facebook, that's Home Foodie, and follow us on Instagram at HomeFoodiePH. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get notified for new uploads. Dahil dito sa Home Foodie, walang imposible. Lahat kayang gawin. sautéing, madelicious!